Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about locating and replacing your thermostat. The first step to locating your thermostat is to locate the large tubes coming out of your radiator. On this particular car, if you follow that tube into the housing that goes into your engine, the thermostat is behind this. If you were to replace the thermostat on this vehicle, what you would want to do is pull these bolts out, take the thermostat housing off, and the thermostat would be sitting right inside of there. On this particular vehicle, we're also going to follow these large hoses, and the thermostat is actually located below the radiator cap. When you go to replace this thermostat, you want to make sure your engine has cooled, because if you take that radiator cap off when it's hot, it'll shoot hot coolant everywhere.